Hey, you remember yesterday how we talked about grammar? Well, when I wrote my story, I didn't do so good with my grammar, so I'm gonna need some help doing it. But let me tell you, when we work on grammar, there are special symbols we use. For example, when you have a lowercase that needs to be an uppercase, you're gonna put three lines. That's called capitalization. That's our first one we're going to talk about. Our second one is when we have a misspelled word. I'm going to misspell cat. Since that's not the right way, we're going to cross it out and write next to it the correct way to spell it. That's for spelling. Lastly, if we're missing punctuation at the end, we're going to draw a little arrow and put the correct punctuation we need to add at the bottom. Punctuation. Now that we've reviewed our different grammar rules, we're going to go through this and look at the different things we need to edit using our editing symbols. Alright, so let's go through our first one. Favorite. Is that spelled right?
No.
So we're going to cross it out and write favorite next to it. Let's keep looking. Love. Love is not spelled right. So what do we do?
Cross it out.
Right next to it. Let's see what else. Because not spelled right.
Cross it out.
The leaves change colors. My, this is the first letter of the first word in the sentence. That means it needs to be capitalized. My favorite.
Favorite's not spelled right.
Nope, making it misspelled. There we go. Kind of weather is in the fall too. Hold on, that's a long sentence. I think it's supposed to be two sentences, so let's add period and see how this looks. My favorite kind of weather is in the fall too, period. I like the cool air in October. Oh, October. Month should be capitalized, shouldn't they? Very good. Thanks for the help, class. And that's a holiday, which also means it needs to be capitalized. Awesome. I think fall is the best time of year. Is this how we spell year?
No.
No. Let's cross that out and spell it the right way. Winter is too cold and summer is too hot, but fall is just right. That's not right. That's what we're looking for. Now, my question for you is, what is your favorite season? When we ask a question, what do we put there at the end of the sentence?
A question mark.
Question mark, perfect. So, thank you for going over your grammar with me. Let's look at it. We have our spelling, where we crossed off. We have our capitalization, where we added how many lines? 1,
3.
2, 3. And we have our punctuation, where we put the arrow and put it up. I circled examples of each of them. Alright, so now that we're all grammar geniuses, let's split off into our groups and make sure that you edit each other's papers for a little while, and then we'll come back together. Give it a couple minutes. Okay. Alright, let's review. Which symbols did we use for each of them? For misspelling, we
Crossed it out.
and wrote the correct spelling. For capitalization, we
Underlined it 3 times.
And for punctuation, we gave an arrow and whatever punctuation you added, right? Alright, so now we're going to go into editing our own papers. We're looking for those 3 things. What 3 things? Spelling, capital letters, and punctuation. And if you need help, you can always look on the board to see our editing techniques. And if you need help spelling a word that's not on our word wall, make sure to ask a friend, and if they don't know, ask a teacher. Thank you.